Hi guys, today little tips on something that you could use to get rid of the mealybugs, aphids, some other pests. I don't know how many kind of pests this worked with. Probably small ones, bug-like, something like that. But one thing it doesn't work with is definitely worms and caterpillars. Now, you spray this on the leaf of your plants and under behind the leaf and the stem, so the whole part. And you can even spray them on your planting mediums. That would have no problem and actually help. Okay, and when you use this, just don't forget to spray on your whole garden, because I have only sprayed on my colocaceas, and then the next day they are on my bananas, and then so the after that they jump to my other plant, to the caladiums, and then upwards to the other ones. So when you spray this, spray it all over your garden. Otherwise, the problem wouldn't end. So the thing I'm talking about is it's not organic, but for me, I feel safe around it because it's something I use every day. It's infant liquid detergent. You can just use with a water solution with a ratio of 1 milliliters with a liter of water, and then spray it all over your plants. My personal experience, it works well. It doesn't get rid of the pests like all of them, but it helps a lot, and I feel like I'm not gonna die before the pest, because before I have used some other kind of a pesticide before, but now I have moved my plants basically kind of indoors on the shed. So I don't feel really good using pesticide in here, because I basically sometimes sit here during the night having a chat, amongst the lovely plants. So yeah, it works well. And oh, I forgot to mention, after you should use this during the evening, like when the sun is down, so it doesn't burn the leaf or have a chance of burning the leaf, especially colocasia leaf. And in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, first thing in the morning, you can rinse it off. You can wash off the remaining detergents that are on the leaves, so your leaves are safe and sound. I have been doing that for weeks, and it works no problem. It works really well. Again, not 100% getting rid of pests, but I would say 95%. Okay, and do not spray this solution more than once a day. Okay, once a day in the evening when the sun is down, and then wash it off in the morning. The first time you're doing it, it probably take a couple of days before you see a significant reduce of the pest. That is my experience. So once a day when the sun is down, and then wash it off in the morning. And that's it for today.